Let's make simple but delicious fried fish and rice. Easy, simple, and delicious. We have 600 grams of Mediterranean bass. Apply some salt all over the fish and set aside for 15 minutes. Now wash and pat dry the pieces with paper towel. This helps it fry nice and crispy. Let's make the spice mix first. We are grinding dried pomegranate seeds around 2 tablespoons. Now sift the ground seeds. Save this seed husk for another recipe. Transfer the pomegranate powder to the plate. Now take 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Finely grind it, no need to sift. Transfer it to the plate. Gather all spices, 2 tablespoons of ground dried pomegranate seeds, 1 tablespoon of ground coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black salt, 1/2 teaspoon of table salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix it to combine. Set aside for later use. Here we have 3 cups of basmati rice, which we already soaked for 30 minutes. Let's cook the rice first. Add 1/4 cup of olive oil to the pan. Add 1 medium sliced onion, 8 cloves, 2 bay leaves, 3 cinnamon sticks, 2 big cardamom and 8 black pepper. Sauté for 10 minutes on medium-low heat. Now add 1 tablespoon of cumin. When the onions are light golden, add 6 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of salt. When it comes to boiling, add the rice. Cook on low-medium heat. Cook until the rice are tender and 80% of water evaporates. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on low heat. The rice is ready. Set aside until the fish is fried. Add the oil to the pan. We are using mustard oil, but you can use any vegetable oil for frying. Carefully place the fish into the pan, into medium hot oil. After a few minutes, flip it over. Fry carefully until it is golden on both sides. Once done, remove the fish and transfer it to the dish. Fry the rest of the fish. Now sprinkle the spice mix over the fish generously, or use it according to your taste. Mix it with spatula. Pour the hot oil from the pan over the fish. Let's set up the platter. Our delicious rice are still hot. Put the rice in the center. Place the fish over the rice. Look at that golden, crispy fish with perfectly cooked rice. Simple, tasty, and satisfying. Decorate with onions, cilantro, and lemon. Finish it up with some more spice mix. Enjoy! Beautiful crispy golden crust and juicy flesh inside. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.